Yen strengthened past 150 yen against dollar on BOJ rate rise expectation. Japanese currency rally makes it one of the best performing among G10 group this week. The yen briefly strengthened past the level 150 yen against the US dollar on Friday, as hotter than expected inflation readings fueled more bets than the Bank of Japan will raise interest rate in December. After rising through the week, the yen touched 149.86 against the dollar in the morning in a surge that traders said was partly due to thin trading volumes around the US Thanksgiving holiday. The yen has rallied about 3% this week, making it one of the best performing of the G10 group of most heavily traded currencies. The strengthening came after better than expected consumer price index number in Tokyo, an important constituent of the economic data on which the BOJ based its forecast. The Tokyo Core CPI, which excluded fresh food, rose 2.2% from the previous year. The increase was fueled by more expensive rice, which has been in short supply this year due to weak harvest and long-term farming policies. The rising cost of rice is being passed on to consumers through everyday items, including bento lunch boxes and onigiri rice ball. Despite the yen decline through November, the swap market has been pricing in a greater likelihood that the BOJ will raise interest rate in December. Swap contracts are pricing in about a 60% chance of rate increase. The yen's steady weakening through November was driven in part by the Trump trade, as investors bet on a stronger dollar and increased market confidence that the US Federal Reserve will cut rates in December. In mid-November, the yen fell below 156 against the dollar, resulting in a round of verbal intervention by the Japanese authorities and sparking speculation that the new government of Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba might be forced to more directly defend the currency. The government has deployed more than 100 billion US dollar to actual intervention this year. Yujiro Goto, a currency strategist at Nomura, said that while bets against the yen had built up after the US election, many of those positions had been unwound ahead of Thanksgiving. But if the pace of yen appreciation were now too rapid, that could prevent the BOJ from opting for a rate increase in December. He added that the BOJ might be reluctant to raise rate if the yen strengthened to 146 against the dollar.